Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, amidst public backlash, the House Speaker has tabled the Auditor General's opinion on how reports from the Integrity Commission are to be tabled.
There were two letters, one from the Solicitor General, Marlene Aldred, and Attorney General Derek McCoy.
Now, the conclusion from the Solicitor General stated, "It is therefore my opinion that the current practice of the Parliament, where the report is tabled and circulated prior to being submitted to the Integrity Commission Oversight Committee, is not inconsistent with Section 36 of the Integrity Commission Act or Standing Order 73D.
That opinion was restated in another letter from the Attorney General.
Now, the Attorney General also stated the House is expected to follow its usual procedures and, subject to legislation and the standing orders, the House has control over those procedures.
Now, it adds that the Speaker may table reports before or after submitting them to the Integrity Oversight Committee.
Now, for greater clarity, the Attorney General said Parliament may publish a guide on the tabling papers in Parliament.
I have also laid on the table the opinions as it relates to the Integrity Commission. This does not in any way set precedents for the tabling of legal advice given to the Speaker in the future. However, as Speaker, my ultimate duty is to ensure clarity and full understanding by the Jamaican people in public affairs. I will continue to table the reports accordingly to previously established practice for the time being. Nevertheless, in the interest of good governance, I urge this House and strongly urge this House to act quickly to review the relevant legislation to remove any ambiguity or gaps in the process.